On Friday, the government announced a steep hike of 14% in rail fares, an unpopular, politically risky decision that could bring nearly 6,000 crore to the railways that desperately needs an upgradation. Opposition Congress lashed out at the move, and the Aam Aadmi does not seem to be happy either.
Narendra Modi's promise of Achhe Din hit its first roadblock. The rail minister announced a steep hike in rail fares. From the 25th of June, passenger fares will increase by 14.2% and freight rates by 6.5%. The hike in passenger fares could bring nearly 6,000 crore rupees to the railways. According to estimates, the railways has notched up losses of close to 26,000 crores on account of passenger travel.
2 दिन पहले संकेत देते हैं कि हाँ जी हम किराया इंक्रीज करेंगे, लेकिन 2 दिन के बाद डिक्लेयर होता है हाँ जी 14.2% किराया जो बढ़ा देते हैं। ये अच्छे दिन आने वाले, ये तो और ज्यादा बुरे दिन आने वाले हैं।
बिल्कुल सही है और खोखला करके उनको दिया गया है, इसलिए जो है उन्होंने 14% बढ़ाया है। बढ़ाना उनकी मजबूरी है।
As India dealt with the shock of the first major hike in a decade, the Modi government tried to justify its decision.
I have withdrawn the order of withholding the fare and freight revision done by the previous government. Today I signed that order. It will come into effect on 25th.
Mr. Modi's talked about the bitter medicine, sir, to get the economy back on feet.
You can ask with him only.
Hiking train fares is an unpopular decision, also viewed as politically risky. In fact, the proposal to hike fares was first mooted by the previous UPA government but was put on hold with an eye on the elections. The Congress conveniently forgot its own proposal and demanded a rollback.
आज हम लोग उनसे पूछना चाहते हैं कि जिस कम्युनिकेशन गैप की बात मोदी साहब 2012 में कर रहे थे, क्या आज भी वही कम्युनिकेशन गैप है जिसकी वजह से रिकॉर्ड हाइक आज तक के इतिहास के अंदर पैसेंजर्स के भाड़े के अंदर करी गई?
And totally we condemn it. We demand its reversal.
नरेंद्र मोदी जी की सरकार ने पहला आज तोप चलाया है देश की जनता के छाती पर, गरीबों के।
Prime Minister Narendra Modi had warned about the bitter pill, the need to increase resources and decrease expenses. That's exactly what he's done just days ahead of the budget with this announcement. He has, of course, also said there's a need for tightening the belt. It hasn't gone down well with the Aam Aadmi or the opposition, which is questioning the Achhe Din ahead. In New Delhi with camera person Sanjay Das, Siddharth Pandey and Bureau Inputs, Bhairavi Singh for NDTV.